What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis here, the Wolf of Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial. How to make your first affiliate marketing sell in 7 steps. So the first step that you guys want to take is choosing your affiliate marketing niche. So the big 3 niches are health, wealth, and romance, and the reason why these are the big 3 niches is because they're what is called an evergreen niche. People will always want to improve their health, people will always want to make more money, and people will always want to find love. So these are really broad, scalable niches, but you can also niche down and find sub niches within these big three niches. For example, within wealth, there could be affiliate marketing, there could be e-commerce, there could be Amazon FBA. In the health department, there can be keto, there can be weight loss supplements, and so on and so forth. And in romance, there could be how to improve your marriage, or how to find the love of your life, or how to flirt with men, so on and so forth. So there's the big 3 niches, and then there's sub niches within those 3. So what you want to ask yourself is, first and foremost, there's way more niches than that, but I'd recommend staying within these 3. But you want to ask yourself the question, do I want to help people improve their health? Do I want to help people make more money? And do I want to help people find love, right? So once you can ask yourself, or answer that question rather, that'll kind of give you the idea of which one of those 3 niches will make the most sense for you. Which one of those will give you the most fulfillment, right? Solving what problem will give you the most fulfillment. After you decide basically what problem you want to solve, the next step is step number 2, which is basically research affiliate programs. So for example, the biggest affiliate program on the planet is ClickBank, right? So if you were to go to clickbank.com and we were to go to affiliate marketplace, in those big 3 niches, there are literally, if I was to go to find product, so these are the categories here, but if I was to go to find product, within those, within this affiliate network, ClickBank within itself has literally over 3,742 different products that you can promote as an affiliate. And if you notice here, Lepti Talks is basically in the health and fitness niche. Kiki is in the fitness niche. His Secret Obsession is in the romance niche. Overnight Millionaire is in the wealth niche. Manifestation Magic is in the wealth niche. Keto Diet is in the health and fitness niche. Organifi is in the health and fitness niche. So you're gonna find majority of the top offers in these affiliate programs are within the big 3 niches. Now, I'm personally in the in the wealth niche, because I like to help people make more money. So another one would be like JVZoo, which is a little bit more advanced than ClickBank and a little bit harder to get accepted for products. But basically, JVZoo is another affiliate marketplace where you can find these different products within health, wealth, and romance. And then you can find separate programs, right? This isn't the only one, but like a separate program like ClickFunnels, where I've made almost $26,000 as an affiliate in the last couple of days. $78, $101, $58, $68 in complete passive income. And basically, I'm making about $1,000 a month in passive income with this affiliate program. So it's endless. You guys can find different affiliate products. Literally just Google, if you don't want to do one of those 3, literally just Google and find what's like the best affiliate program. Once you guys find an affiliate program, then you want to go and actually find a product to promote within that program. So for example, one product that I could promote could be new Manifestation Magic, right? So this is basically within the wealth niche. You get paid $37.97 for every time you generate a sell, and as far as commissions, I believe they pay out about 75% commissions. If I was to go ahead and press promote here, they're going to tell me what percentage of commissions they'll actually pay out. So 75% of about 40, let's just round it and say 40. So you're going to make about like $28 to $30 per sell you generate with this program. So with that being said, after we go ahead and actually find a product that we want to go ahead and promote, the next thing that we want to go ahead and do is we want to go ahead and set up sales automation. So we want to go ahead and be able to generate leads on complete autopilot, right? So the way that we're going to do that is basically create what is called a sales funnel. So to explain what a sales funnel is basically kind of going to be this little process right? Well, one part of a sales funnel is called a video sales letter, which has already been created by, for example, Manifestation Magic. And this is a sales video that's going to go ahead and literally do 100% of the selling for you. You don't have to recruit friends or family. You don't have to go ahead and get people on a call. You don't have to get people to a home event. You simply find a way to get people to this page that has already been created by the affiliate offers, right? Which is basically if you go ahead and press promote here, press promote, and you actually generate a link here, right? By going to generate hop link. This link that is generating right now, this link right here is going to give you access to the sales video that the affiliate program creator, they created this marketing material. So you literally just have to figure out how to get website visitors to this page. But instead of sending website visitors directly to this page, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and actually use what is called a squeeze page and put it in front of this affiliate offer, which is something like this, which is basically how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. This one says how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. So it has the same headline. This is called a headline. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually leverage this page right here so that way we can capture emails, which is called a lead. Now, the whole point of capturing a lead is so that way we can go ahead and actually follow up with people, because 8 out of 10 people who we send to this page, if we were to just send them to this page, they're not going to buy the first time. So the point of capturing these leads before we actually send people to this affiliate offer page, this affiliate link, is so that way we can go ahead and actually remarket to these people. So with that being said, we've built now if you guys don't know how to actually build these sales funnels, you guys can go to, in the links in the description in my links there's going to be something that says sales funnels, right? Sales funnels, that'll be the software that you guys can actually use to build these sales funnels. Next is we're going to go to, once we have this sales funnel set up, right, we're going to want to start driving traffic, right? So are we going to use free or paid traffic? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to start driving traffic to this squeeze page, which is basically essentially website visitors. So just to give you guys an example of free and paid marketing strategies, one example of a free strategy would, for example, be YouTube, right? So YouTube video marketing is basically creating YouTube content that is congruent with the problem that people are trying to solve. For example, if people were interested in manifestation magic, so people want to learn how to manifest real cash, I can create content on YouTube teaching people how to make money, and then I could drive those visitors to this page right here. Or I could even create a blog post or whatever, right? Another one for like paid ads could be like Facebook ads, right? So basically what I'm going to do is target people on Facebook who would be interested in making more money or who aren't satisfied with their financial situation. Then I'm going to go ahead and drive that traffic to this page right here. It's called a squeeze page. And then they're going to go ahead, if this headline, right, makes sense to them, and if it drives their curiosity, and if they're interested in it, then they're going to put in their information. Now, chances are, for people who are wondering, well, what if those people don't put in their email? If these people don't put in their email after reading this headline, then chances are, coming across this page, they're not going to buy this product either, because if this headline doesn't pique their interest when they come to the sales page, then, or excuse me, if it doesn't pique their interest when they come to this page, it probably won't pique their interest in the product that you're offering on the back end anyways. So you're kind of filtering people who are interested and people who aren't interested by having the headline on this first page anyways. And then after we go ahead and drive website traffic, we want to go ahead and set up follow-up automation with something that is called an email autoresponder. Now, again, if you guys want to figure out what email autoresponder I use, in my recommended resources down below in the description, you guys can get access to my recommended email autoresponder. Now, what an email autoresponder is basically a software that captures these emails. So basically, we're driving website traffic, let's just say YouTube or Facebook ads, to the squeeze page. People put in their information, right? So they put in their email, let's just say bill@gmail.com. bill@gmail, right? That's the contact that decides to put in their email. And what happens is is that contact gets stored in what is called an email autoresponder, right? It's called a CRM, a customer relations management software. But the cool thing about an autoresponder is that over the next series of days, so let's just say day 1, day 2, day 3, so I'll just put day 1, and then we'll say day 3, right? What's going to happen is I can go ahead and actually redirect these people over the next couple of days to the same affiliate offer. But not only that, right? Let's just say I end up getting 100 contacts, then 500 contacts, then 1,000 contacts. So basically like up to 1,000 leads. Basically in a click of a button, I can go ahead and send what is called an email broadcast, which is basically just sending an email blast out to these contacts. So if I have 1,000 people or 10,000 people, right, over time, as we're sending traffic to this squeeze page, we're capturing these leads, we're building this email asset. So we start with our first email subscriber, then we have 100 people, then we have 1,000 people, then we have 10,000 people, so on and so forth, right? We're going to be able to do free marketing with this email marketing, right? So as soon as somebody puts in their email to the squeeze page, right? As soon as somebody puts in their email and they go to this next page, they're automatically going to go ahead and get the first email, which is the welcome email. Then day number 2, they're going to go ahead and get an email that explains why they need this product. Then day number 3, they're going to go ahead and get an email that explains to them why they need this product. And these are going to be free clicks. And remember, I told you guys, when we send people to this page, 8 out of 10 times, they're not going to go ahead and actually make a purchase. So what we want to do is we want to capture their information on this page before we send them to the affiliate offer. And then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and recommend affiliate offers over time. So let's just say the 8th, 9th, or 10th time they decide to see our offer, they finally make a purchase. But if we send people directly to this page, right, chances are they might not make a purchase. So we want to go ahead and capture their information so that way we can go ahead and automatically follow up with them. And the way that we're going to do that is by setting up a follow-up automation. And then the last thing, or not the last thing, step number 6 is reinvesting our commissions. So as we start to generate affiliate commissions, we want to go ahead and make this a cycle, right? So we're going to be driving traffic, we're going to be capturing leads, we're going to be sending people to our affiliate offer. But as we start making money on this side, we want to go ahead and literally reinvest this money, right? We want to reinvest this money. So this is looking a little bit messy here, but we want to reinvest it back into traffic. So it's like a loop. It's literally like a loop. We want to reinvest this money back into more Facebook ads or more type of traffic to drive more traffic, to generate more leads, to generate more sales, to generate more money. Then we're just going to keep on reinvesting it. And then step number 7 is basically we're going to go ahead and rinse, repeat, and scale. So we're literally going to go ahead and repeat the cycle over and over again until we get our desired income, right? So until our desired income is achieved. So basically, for example, if let's just say every time I put $100 in the system and I generate $200 in commissions in the other side, then what I want to do, instead of spending this commissions on bullcrap, I'm going to go and reinvest that $200 back into the front end of the funnel. And then $400 should come back on the other side. Then I'm going to reinvest that $400 in the front of the funnel. Then $800 should be coming back on the other side. And then $800 in the front end of the funnel. Then $1,600. And there's literally kind of like legally printing money. So with that being said, that is literally the 7 steps you need to take to get your first sale in affiliate marketing. Now you're probably wondering, well, okay, how do I actually drive free and paid traffic? How do I set up these automation systems? How can I go ahead and set up my email autoresponders? And how do I properly reinvest into paid marketing strategies? If you guys want to know how to do all of that, I have a free training for you guys down below. Click the first link in the description, or literally just go to becomeawolf.com and I will answer all those questions for you, right? There's only so much that I can do within a 10 to 15 minute YouTube video. If you guys want a free training, right? No catch, no BS, where I can go in and show you how 90% of this stuff can actually be done for you. click the first link in the description or go to becomeawolf.com. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell to join the family, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.